सहोदितं नन्दनन्दनं वन्दे राधिका चरणोदयं गोपीनां समयुक्तानां वृन्दावन मनोहरम् श्री नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नाम्ने गौरतिसे नमः। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबन्धो जगत्पते गोपीश गोपिका कांत राधाकांत नमोस्तुते। तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। ओम वृंदावै तुलसी देव्यै प्रिया वै केशवस्य च कृष्ण भक्ते प्रदे देवी सत्यवत्यै नमो नमः। भक्ताविहीना अपराधलक्ष्यै क्षिप्ताश्च कामादि परं प्रमादै कृपामयि त्वां शरणं प्रपन्नां वृन्दे नमस्ते चरणारविन्दं नमस्ते चरणारविन्दं वृन्दे नमस्ते चरणारविन्दं भजामि राधां परमेन्द्रनेत्रां स्मरामि राधां मधुरस्मितवचनं वदामि राधां करुणावराद्रां ततो मम मनस्ते आ देवी काकुभर गदगदयद्वाच जाजिनी पत्युभि दण्डवदुर्भटार्ति अस्य प्रसादमवधस्य जनस्य कृत्वा गन्धर्विके निजगणे गणनां विधेहि। अंगस्यामिर्भिचटामन्धिकचन्द्रे वरं जड्डं जाचुरुरुचिसं पट्टं वरस्य श्रियां बृन्दावननिवासनिलसद्दामदिदामोदरं राधास्कन्धनिवेशिलोज्जलोभुजं ध्यायं सुस्तामोदरम् तवैवास्मि तवैवास्मि न जीवामि तया विना इति विज्ञायते राधे तन्नयामि चरणान्तिके। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि श्री गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। So first of all, offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, lotus feet of my spiritual master, Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta, Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj, and Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta, Srila Nand Goswami Maharaj. So internationally, offer respectful Dandavat Pranam. Lotus feet of Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Swami Maharaj, Srila Gauranga Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Rakha, Siddhar Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Pramod Puri Goswami Maharaj, Bhakti Vigan Bharati Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavis and presented all of my respectful guests. To this, my mic is stand in the phone. So today we are going to Ratha Yatra. A nice, beautiful arrangement. But according to the schedule, our Ratha Yatra will be start 11:30. But now, few minutes left.
They're just finishing off the cooking. Just finishing off.
So we are waiting for also some devotees. I hope some devotees also will come soon. And so when you will be ready and give to me hints, then I can stop Harikatha, then you proceed to Ratha Yatra. So just I want to speak few words. This Ratha Yatra, this is not this time. This Ratha Yatra started in the beginning of the creation in Saptajiva. In our Shastra also explained, even Prahlad Maharaj, Saptajiva, Prahlad Maharaj, he also arranged Ratha Yatra for Lord Vishnu. Vishnu Ratha Yatra. In our Shastra also mentioned this. Prahlad Maharaj? Prahlad Maharaj, he also first started this Ratha Yatra. But that Ratha Yatra is called Vishnu Ratha Yatra. He also has a very nice, beautiful chariot and put the deities of Vishnu. As for Vishnu Ratha Yatra. Then this tradition, Ratha Yatra tradition, also spread all over the world. Different countries, they also did Ratha Yatra. Now this tradition is going on. Then you also heard about Indradumna Maharaj, who manifested Lord Jagannath. That is called Nilmadhava. Then Lord himself told to him, "Hey Indradumna Maharaj, actually you cannot take my darshan, the deities of Nilmadhava. But with the 4 logs, you can also manifest my deities." Then Indradumna Maharaj, he also manifested this Jagannath, Baladi, Subhadra and Sudarshan. Long story is there, if I tell you, may need more time. Just I briefly, one word. So, now this tradition is going on. Even different also sampradayas, they also have manifested Ratha Yatra. But everybody knows Jagannath Ratha Yatra, this is very famous. Everybody knows Jagannath Ratha Yatra. Once a year, Lord Jagannath, he comes out from his temple and he gives darshan to all the fallen living entities. Okay? So for this regard, Lord Jagannath is called Patit Pavan. What is called? Patit Pavan. He is the savior of all the fallen living entities. Patit Pavan Jagannath. In our Shastra, Padma Puran, Utkal Khanda, and so many glorify about Lord Jagannath. If Lord Jagannath is seated in his chariot, Ratha Rudam Jagannatham, when Lord Jagannath is seated in his chariot, or if you take darshan, then again will not come in this material world. And you will be delivered from this material world and attend to transcendental world, the Chiddham, Vaikuntha. And what will say to our bhajan and sadhana? Yesterday I told conditions, in this Kali Yuga's conditional soul, what do you bhajan and sadhana? And Kali Yuga's mind, Kali Yuga's people, their mind very disturbed or not? You can ask to anybody, say my mind is disturbed. Maybe my health is good, but my mind is very
disturbed.
Why? Because this is the nature of the Kali Yuga. Kalam lati iti Kali. Understand? Even gopis, they also saying to each other. When Krishna used to go herding the cows, then gopis' mind is also very disturbed. Chalasi jada brajan sharayana pasun nalina sundaram nadate padam kalilata manam kanta gacchasi. Chalasi jada brajan sharayana pasun. When Krishna, he used to go herding the cows, that time gopis' mind very disturbed. Why? Because gopis, they cannot tolerate separation from Krishna. They got Krishna, Virha, Atur gopis. Understand? Gopis, they felt pang of separation from Krishna. And 1 second, 1 moment, they cannot separate from Krishna. Atati jada bhavan, annikana nan truti jugayate tam apasyatam kutir kuntalam srimukanchati jada udikshatan pakshake pisam. This one, Gopi. Gopis, they are saying this. Because gopis, they have so much love and affection with Krishna. Atati jada bhavan annikana nan. Hey Krishna, when he used to go herding the cows in the forest, or otherwise when you also return back, that time gopis, they are eager to take darshan, the beautiful lotus face of Krishna. But that time Krishna's face completely covered with the dust of cows' hooves. What is it? Dust of
The cow's hooves.
cows' hooves.
From the cow's hooves.
But gopis are thinking, oh, Krishna's face is as like very nice, beautiful blossom lotus. Understand? Praspudita Kamal. Or the dust which covered the face of Krishna, gopis are thinking, this is the fallen. But when Krishna running here and there and chasing behind the cows, then Krishna's very nice, beautiful crawling here. Understand? Crawling here cover Krishna's face. Then gopis are thinking, oh, this is very nice, beautiful black bees. That black bees collect the fallen from the lotus. This movie. So saying, Atati jada bhavan annikananan truti jugayate tam apasyatam kutila kuntalam srimukanchate jada udrikshatam pakshake drisam. That time gopis, they want to take darshan, the beautiful blossom lotus face of Krishna. Krishna is very nice, beautiful. But sometimes they also give cards to Brahma. Brahma, understand? Who has forehead. But why? Gopis, they blame to Brahma. Hey Brahma, you are foolish. You are stupid. You are nonsense. You have no knowledge of rasa rasagyan. Well, you manifest our beautiful form of our beloved Krishna. How is beautiful his bosom, lotus face. We want to only to take darshan the beautiful form of Govinda. But how you are foolish and unqualified person. Why? Because you give us our eyelids. You know, eyelids? Every second, every moment, it is blinking up and down. So for this regard, this times also to obstacles to take darshan, the beautiful form of our Krishna. For this regard, gopis, they curse to Brahma. But they giving curse. Hey Brahma, tu marishe. Hey Brahma, you have to die. Why? Because you are unqualified. You give us only our two eyes. No problem. But you also give us what is called? Eyelids. So these eyelids also blocking to take darshan. And gopis, they also saying, maybe another person will take charge the position of Brahman, and he will manifest us, and will give us, he will give us thousand eyes, or that eye without eyelids. Then we can see how is the beautiful form of Govinda. Because gopis so much happiness take darshan to Govinda. Actually, this is called deep attachment. That is called Sanskrit word. That is called anurag. What is it? Anurag. Deep attachment. So, Prabhu Saipad, Pujalumani Grantha Vishnu Chaturya commentary explains. What is the symptom of anurag? Two symptoms. One is called praspanu snehanubandhanam. First. When the deep attachment means praspranu sneha anubandhanam. They completely tied with their rope of deep attachment. That is called praspranu sneha anubandhanam. Sneha means love and affection. Love and affection. This is the rope to tie to each other. So that is called praspranu sneha anubandhanam. Second symptom of anurag, that is called darshane atriptata. And they are not satisfied. Just once take darshan to Govinda. They are thinking again and again. Take darshan to Govinda. So for this regard, gopis mind very disturbed. Understand? This is the reason. That time their mind, they also, in their mind, they also quarreling to each other. Quarreling. Kali means, I tell what is the meaning of Kali? Quarrel. So gopis mind also quarrel. And in this Kali Yuga's conditional soul, Baddha Jiva, their mind also quarreling. Each other. Why? Because conditional soul, they have this bodily conception. What is called? Bodily conception. That Sanskrit word that is called Dehatma Buddhi. I am this body. I am the enjoyer. So for this regard, our mind is touched. I am the servant of Krishna. When this conception will come, that time all our quarrel will be end. When you think I am not this body, I am the eternal servant of Krishna, Krishna Nityadhas. And my duty always how to serve Krishna. Krishna Seva. Then, gopis, they quarrel with their mind for Krishna Seva, for Krishna Darshan. And our quarrel is coming from for the sense gratifications. And this sense gratification coming from Dehatma Buddhi, bodily conception, I am enjoying different. So now coming in this way, Jagannath Rath Yatra, Lord Jagannath has very beautiful nature. Gaurganda Goswami Maharaj, he told, actually this Jagannath, this form is called Mahabhav Prakash. What did he say? Mahabhav Prakash. And mundane people, they cannot understand. This is a very dilated eyes, no hands, no legs, only smiling face. What it is? But mundane people, they have no idea. What is the meaning of prema, love? Understand? If you want to love, then first start from Saranagati, surrender. Surrender to Lord feet of Krishna. Then Shraddha, Sadhu Sangha, Bhajana Kriya, Anartha Vritti, Nishtha, Ruchi, Asakti, then Roti, then Bhav, then Prem. And then after the high stage of Prem, different also activities there also. Sneha, Man, Pranay, Rag, Anurag, Bhav, Mahabhav, Urura, Udura, Mohan, Modan, and Madanakha Mahabhav. So Srimati Radhika actually is called the embodiment of Madanakha Mahabhav. You cannot understand what is the meaning of Madanakha Mahabhav. Just we heard from our Guru Vargas, just read from our Shastra. Ujjal Nirmani, Bhakti Rasamrita, Sindhu, different granthas. But very difficult to understand. What is the meaning of Mahabharata? But we are listening this katha, sweet katha. Mundane people, they are just enjoying the sense gratification. For this regard, they are saying, I love you. What is saying? I love you. What do you love? Because this love, what is very sweet. This is true. You cannot deny. When anybody use this word, yeah, I love you. That time your heart overjoyed or not? You are very happy. Sometimes people, they are not using this word, I love you, writing not, I love you. What they saying? I, then put on their heart and you. You understand? And the symbolic one. I love you. Very nice. This is true. Love, this word is very sweet. But very few persons, they know the real meaning of love. So for this regard, our Goswamis, they gave many definitions about love. Many definitions of love. But the first definition of love, that is called one drop of the eyes. आंखों के आंसू ही प्रेम कहा जाता है. What is it? One
teardrop.
Tears drop. And tears drop. And that is called the real love. Not so easy to. And shedding tears from your eyes. And this is true. Not so easy. Love is very high level thing. And Ananda Mamata Vishnu Mamata Prema Sangata. This is a simple definition about love also. Ananya Mamata Vishnu. If you have Ananya Mamata, Ananya understand? No Ananya. Ananya. That means your love and affection not going others way. Only one pointed with Lord Vishnu or Krishna. And that is called the love. So say the Ananya Mamata Vishnu Mamata Prema Sangataha. This is the simple also definition about prema or love. Simple. But this prema, when you more and more deeply analyze what is the meaning of love. English word I am sometimes explain. And what is saying? Love. How many letters? Four. First letter is what?
L.
L. What is the meaning of L? Do you remember? Lake of tears. Not he's saying lack of tears. No. Lake of tears. You understand? How many water in the lake? There is one lake. Jinn. Lake of tears. Water automatically come out. If you really love someone, very difficult to stop shedding your tears. Automatically come out. Lake of tears. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when he was dancing in front of Lord Jagannath, then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu cannot control his tears. Chaitanya explained. Everybody completely sweat the tears of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Look this. How many tears in your eyes? But Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, we are saying this. When Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is to come in front of Lord Jagannath, and Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is thinking, I am Radha. Apunake Radha bhave anukham. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is thinking, I am Radha. And now Jagannath means Krishna, Nandanandan Krishna. Vigraha nahege tumi Brajendra Nandan. Mahaprabhu is saying, hey, Nandanandan Krishna, after long separation, now I am meeting with my beloved Krishna, who is the son of Nanda Maharaj. The Sanskrit word that is Sudirgha, Vipralamba, then meeting. After long separation, when lover and beloved meeting together, that time what kinds of feeling inside their hearts? And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu expressed. Then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is crying and crying and crying. Kaha mor prananath murali vadan. Kaha jaun, kaha paun Brajendra Nandan. Kahare kahiba dukha ke jane mor dukh Brajendra Nandan bina. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is crying this way. Because Lord Jagannath has no peacock feathers, no fruit. Because when Krishna left Vrindavan and proceeded to Mathura and Mathura to Dwarka, actually Krishna left two things in Vrindavan. One is called peacock feather and fruit murali. Gopis, they will be very happy if they will see Krishna's two things. Peacock feather on his turban, or second, fruit in his hand. But in Jagannath Puri, Lord Jagannath has no peacock feather and no fruit. So for the Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is saying, Vigrahana Hirdami Sakshat Bhajan. He's moody that you are the son of Nanda Maharaj. But I'm not happy to meet with you. Priyo so ayam Sahajari Kurukshetre Milita. Srimati Radhika, she expressed her sentiments, bhav, in front of her Sakhis. Priyo so ayam Sahajari Krishna Kurukshetre Milita. Now I am meeting with my beloved same Krishna. I am same Radha. Or you are same my beloved Krishna. But there things difference your mood, difference your form. Huh? Understand? Different mood. What is the mood? Huh? You are thinking, I am Kshatriya, Rajvesh. Huh? Understand? Rajvesh. And what is called?
King,
Royal dress. And Kurukshetra Krishna, Dwarkadhish Krishna. Royal dress. And Vrindavan Krishna, that is called cowherd dress.
Gopavesh.
Gopavesh, Venukar, Navakishora Natavar, Naralila, Hai Anuruv. Very nice, beautiful, three-band field. And three-band fold. That is Trimangala. Varavidam Natavarboku. Karnakarnikaram Bhridavaso Karkavisam Vijantamalam Randhanuvena Radharasudaya Purana Gopa Vrindai Bindaram Sapadarvanam Pravisatagitike. This is called Gopavesh in Vrindavan. And Kurukshetra Krishna, or Dwarkadhish Krishna, Rajvesh, very nice, beautiful golden crown over his head. Rajadanda, golden stick in his hand. Because he is thinking, I am Kshatriya. Kshatriya Vesh. So two form. Vrindavan form, that is called Gopavesh, cowherd form. Or in Kurukshetra Dwarka, his form is called Kshatriya Vesh. Kshatriya Vesh, king form. So Gopis, Pesal Srimati Radhika is saying, I am not happy with your dish. Kshatriya form. Or another also known flute in his hand. But Vrindavan, Krishna, always he holds the flute in his hand. He plays the flute very nicely. Understand? And their associates also different. Understand? English word saying, or they are flipped together.
Birds of a feather flock together.
Birds of
A feather flock
yes.
together.
Listen, this is English proverb. Here, Kurukshetra, Rajvesh, and all his associates are different. And Vrindavan, Krishna Parvis, very nice, beautiful form. Gopavesh, Venukar, Navakishora, Natavar, Naralila, Hai Anuruv. Vrindavan, Krishna will be. So now come in this way. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So first love. Love what mean? What word? What is it?
Lake of tears.
Lake of
Tears.
tears. If you love, real love someone, automatically tears rolling down from your eye. This is the symptom of love. Second,
Oh.
O. What is the O?
Ocean of
The ocean of
sorrow.
sorrow. Ocean of sorrow. And you feel these things. Maybe later we explain everything. Or yellow,
V.
V, the valley of death. But transcendental word, there is no use word of death. if you read Jagadhar Bhaktivinoda Thakur, that is called murcha, faint. Huh? Understand? These are things. Value of death. Huh? And मौत के value.
मूर्ति
Or we last
E.
E. What is the E? End of your life. That's Jivan is Javan Follow it now and maybe later we will explain. That is the meaning of love. Even material love or transcendental love. Look like both are same, but completely what? Different. Opposite. Love, this one, very sweet. You remember these four words? Four letters. L-O-V-E. So I will explain what is the significance, symbol of love. Even material love. Also, you have to cry. This is one, have to shed your tears. At times in their love for Krishna, but there is separation, so much happiness comes. Externally, gopis, they are feeling separation from Krishna and shedding tears. But internally, their heart so much overjoyed with Krishna. যত দেখো বৈষ্ণবীর ব্যবহার দুঃখ তাহাতে জানিও তুমি পরম আনন্দ. Externally, they are crying for Krishna, shedding tears. But internally, they are feeling so much happiness. Love is this way. In separation and meeting. Love means two things also. As like one coin, two sides. Meeting and separation. Separation and meeting. Milan, Viraha, Viraha. Externally crying, gopis, while internally they are very happy. And in this material world, completely opposite. Externally you are happy, but internally you are
Suffering.
unhappy, suffering. You understand?
Crying.
This is true. So, the transcendental world, Prajnachit Jagat, that love, there is sweetness coming. So, love to Krishna, love to God. God is love. God is embodiment of divine love. So, Bible written this one. Love is God, God is love. God is the embodiment of
Divine.
love. Love is very sweet word. Is it true? But according to our, depend on our utilization. Understand? How to use this love, which way? Vastu same. Vastu understand?
Substance.
Self-substance is same. But how to
Use. How to,
utilize? What the use?
how to apply.
Understand? Love to person saying love to God. If you love to God means you love to everyone. Because God, He resides in the heart of the living entities. So for this, Srika Shastra is saying love to God. And if you love to God, then automatically you love to everyone. This is the process. So our Shastra is saying love to God, then you love to everybody. You can see same God who resides in the heart of all the living entities. What is Srimad Bhagavad Gita? Sunichai Vidya Vinaya Sampurna Brahmane Gopistini Sunichai Sapakicha Pandita Samdarshina. Understand? This is the simple. When sadhak will come to the stage of this bhav and praying, then he can see everywhere God who resides in the heart of the living entities. that is called Paramatma Darshan. Bhagavad Darshan. That is called Bhagavad Darshan or Paramatma Darshan. To come the stage, Lord Jagannath is very merciful. So just I also explain, this Jagannath is called the embodiment of Mahabharata Prakash. Gaurabandhu Goswami Maharaj explained this, use this word. Where is Jagannath, this Murti Vigraha. This is called, what is it? Mahabharata Swarup. And how he is feeling separation from Srimati Radhika. Crying there. Lord Jagannath, very nice, merciful. For this regard, Gauriya Vaishnava, they used to go Jagannath Puri and take darshan to Lord Jagannath. Take darshan to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in Gambhira. Have you been Jagannath Puri? Have you been? Gambhira? Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So Gaurabandhu Goswami Maharaj again used this word. If you go Jagannath Puri, then you can see at the time two Viraha Murti. Two separation form. One is called Krishna Viraha Vidur Radha. Or another is called Radha Viraha Vidur Krishna. Srimati Radhika, he is feeling separation from Krishna. Or another Krishna, he is feeling separation from Srimati Radha Viraha Vidur Krishna or Krishna Viraha Vidur Radha. So if you go Jagannath Puri, see Viraha Murti there, two Viraha Murti. Krishna Viraha Vidur Radha or Radha Viraha Vidur Krishna. Jagannath and Krishna is feeling separation from Srimati Radhika. Or Srimati Radhika is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He is thinking, I am Radha. Or now, I am far from my beloved Krishna. Crying this Viraha. Viraha Murti. Paro Viraha Murti ki jai. Jai Sachidananda Gaur Hari ki jai. Jai Jai Shri Radhe. Now, time is over. We will not take too much time. We have to go. So, Ratha Yatra. And then, after 1 hour, we will return back. Then we Kirtan. Then Arati. Then we take Mahaprasad ki jai. Then again evening 6:30 or something. Arati. Then Kirtan, Harikatha. This is our spiritual life. Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki jai jai Shri Ram. Okay, Prabhu, going to
Just for the Kirtan, we will just get ready. This is the Kirtan, yeah.
जगन्नाथ जी की आरती कर दिया जाए. Everybody please stand up and do Jagannath.